Dear students, now let us look at another carrier, that is the airline industry. So first of all, we will be looking at the development of airline industry. Development of airline industry is very important aspect. Why? Because for long distance transportation, airline industry actually become an important part of it. Freight carry करने के लिए भी airlines or air passage was it become very attractive with the passage of time. Although the biggest constraint is that the cost by air is actually higher. It's much higher than by sea or by rail or by road if you see it. But at the same time, आपके पास जो on time delivery है उसको या shorter lead time पे किसी product को from origin to destination अगर आपने भेजना है तो that is the most, I would say, the fastest mode of carrier. तो development कैसे थी? It was air travel now is actually a very common part of transportation for long distance passengers. Although I would say it's not that significant. Significant because क्योंकि cost इसकी काफी ज़्यादा है. And freight travel, especially when time is of essence. Now that is the main condition. जहाँ पर आपके पास time essence नहीं है, वहाँ पर by air आपके पास delivery or shipment or transportation, that is not that attractive. Why it is not attractive? Because it will take a lot of amount from your profits. आपके profits को बहुत ज़्यादा कम कर देता है. Because that shipment would, अब normally अगर आप मुझसे पूछें कि in a supply chain structure, inbound deliveries, तो I would say more than 90% would be coming through by sea or by road or by rails, but not by air. Why? Normally you would have a higher lead time. Time is not that of a essence और time is not that significant जब आपके पास supplier से कोई चीज़ें manufacturer की तरफ आ रही हैं. But for outbound आपके पास जब when it is moving from the manufacturer to the distributor or to the retailer, then time is of an essence. Especially for fast fashion products. ऐसी products जो कि short lived हैं, जिसमें rate of innovation ज़्यादा है, वहाँ पर आपकी जो transportation है through airline, that is very attractive. So let us look at some of the statistics regarding the airline industry. 93.1 billion revenue ton mile transported by air carriers between June 2013 and May 2014. 589,151 people employed in the air carrier industry in June 2014. Lot of people, lot of employment, lot of revenue being generated in 1 year, जो कि ये statistics आपके पास है. Then 99.2% of total operating revenue miles comes from passengers transportation during August 2013 to July 2014. 99.2% of total operating revenue miles. Very significant amount. $199.7 billion of operating revenue generated by for hire air carriers in 2014. For hire air carriers, it is one type of air carrier, और जो इसके होने वाला operating revenue है, that is $199.7 billion for the year 2013. So all these statistics actually show that airline industry is actually flourishing, and for hire airplanes are, or the, I would say, the carriers airplanes, they are becoming more and more attractive for the clients, especially the condition applies here. That is, when the time is of an essence, then your mode or the most important or the fastest mode would actually be the air. तो by air जब आप shipment कर रहे हैं तो वहाँ पर एक condition fulfill होना ज़रूरी है. That is, I do not have the time or the lead time is very short. Otherwise, you are wasting a lot of money by sending something by air. So until or unless it requires that, airline industry में passenger carry के अलावा आपके पास जो freight carriage है, that will always be like smaller amount, especially for the inbound deliveries. But for outbound delivery, like the delivery from the manufacturer to retailer, वहाँ पर एक बड़ा अच्छा alternative है for the distributors or the manufacturer कि वो कम time के अंदर एक प्रोडक्ट को मार्केट तक भेज सकते हैं। थैंक यू।